Private school, my child support is going to be raised 12 months a year, even though that's a 9-month decision.
I kept the father's last name for our son.
Oh, okay, okay. You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
We were married, got a divorce a couple of years back. The last 6 years of our son's life, our son's 6, have been not easy, but between us, we're pretty amicable. We get along, and a lot of decisions we make together for our son. We're coming into this new decision here soon of what our son's going to go into for school and different programs.
Miss Stewart surprised everyone in court when she explained why she still uses her ex-husband's last name. They ended their marriage years ago, but now they are standing before a judge again. What caused problems in their peaceful co-parenting relationship? It all starts with a costly request. Keep watching to learn more.
Our son's going to go into for school and different programs. He has been paying child support, but the dues that are going to come up with school are going to be more.
Okay.
And I wanted to try and get more child support, hopefully to split the difference in the cost of that.
Okay, how much is he paying you right now in child support?
$430.
Okay. And what is it that you're asking in terms of the split?
Our son's dues are going to be $1,100 for the new school.
What school is this?
It's a private school, but he's a brilliant boy.
She wants an increase in child support, but not for personal reasons. She believes their son needs to attend a private school to have a better future. The tuition costs more than $1,100 each month, while the father currently pays $430 in support. Is this really about helping their child, or is there something else behind it? Wait until you hear what makes this school different.
What school is this?
It's a private school, but he's a brilliant boy, and I think we've done a great job raising him, so to put him into a school that really fits his personality and his education level, I think we agree is important for him. So.
Okay. And what do you have to say about this?
Well, I kind of let her make those decisions.
In terms of the school, you're okay with the school?
In terms of the school, I'm okay. I trust her. It's actually, splitting it is going to be more on the front end, but it's actually less. I looked it up, and it's 9 months.
The father admits he believes she made the right choice about the school. For a moment, both parents seem to agree. But there's one big issue, the high cost. He supports the decision now, but can he handle the financial burden later? The next development changes the entire case.
But it's actually less. I looked it up, and it's 9 months.
Okay.
At $550 will actually be less child support for me in the next year. So I'm not sure that's what she wanted to do. So I'm saying okay.
Okay. So you guys agree that you would split the $1,100? Is that what I'm understanding?
We agreed that we would split the schooling, but the trouble that we're coming into here is just the length of time. I don't want to go 3 months without having any child support, if that's what he's bringing to case.
She isn't asking for a huge amount. She only wants child support to continue for 3 more months. The father argues that paying tuition directly would actually cost him less. She asks the court not to end support immediately. Is the system working fairly? The judge's answer may catch you off guard.
3 months without having any child support, if that's what he's bringing to case.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, if we're talking about splitting the tuition, then we're splitting $1,100 in 9 months. That's less money for the year than if I just continued to pay child support to her. I'm okay with it, so if that's her decision.
What we're disagreeing with is just the length of time. I want to at least receive the $430 for the remaining 3 months if that's what decided. I'm not sure how that works in terms of the court, but
Yeah, unfortunately it wouldn't work like that. We wouldn't be able to do it like that because then we would be sending a withholding order to your employer for 9 months.
He agrees to help pay the tuition, but only if child support ends right away. She requests that the $430 payments continue for another 3 months. Then the judge introduces a legal issue that neither parent expected. Things are about to become even more complicated.
A withholding order to your employer for 9 months, and then at the 3rd month, have to hope that it reaches them in time enough for the 3 months for it to go down. So it doesn't really work like that. So it either has to be something you guys agree on in terms of what it is, like the amount, the $550, and it would have to continue one for the full year. I mean, you think about it like this. Those 3 months, there are going to be things that your son will probably need while he's with mom that she will be able to get.
Yeah.
Definitely daycare. I mean, that's
Well,
still.
I mean, I understand she has expenses, but so basically, if she decides that he's going to go to a
The
private,
judge explains that child support can't simply be stopped overnight. Legal procedures and payroll systems take time to update. She also reminds them that their son still has everyday needs during those months. But an even bigger surprise is coming.
if she decides that he's going to go to a private school, my child support is going to be raised 12 months a year, even though that's a 9-month decision.
Yeah, because it has to extend through the entire year. Otherwise, based on your tax returns, I can base your child support off of what it should actually be.
No, I think we're okay.
Oh, okay. I was going to say because
What would that look like?
well, if we did it based off of your tax returns again and your W-2, you make $62,500 a year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
When the judge reviews his W-2 form, the courtroom becomes tense. He earns $62,500 per year. Can he really afford the new arrangement? The judge starts calculating a new support amount. What she discovers could increase his payments. Then she reveals a number that shocks everyone.
Your W-2, you make $62,500 a year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so health insurance, who carries health insurance?
We split it.
Okay, good. You guys, double insured. That's very good. That's very good. So if we did your gross, how much do you pay in health insurance for the child?
I pay, mine is like $60.
$60?
$60 a month is all on.
Okay. So giving you credit for the $60, that'll bring your gross down. Let me see. Minus the $60, that will bring your gross to about, let's say, $5,100.
The judge learns that both parents already provide health insurance for their son. That's one thing they've managed to do right. After subtracting only $60 from his income, the total barely changes. Every detail matters as she continues her calculations. The biggest surprise is still ahead.
That will bring your gross to about, let's say, $5,100, net at $4,156.64. How many children do you have
I have 2 other children.
that are under the age of 18?
Yes.
Okay. So that would be 16%. Yeah, your child support would be about $665.
Yeah, I think I'm okay with. I'm okay with the.
The 550?
The 550.
I
If you
think
are,
the
that's
550
okay.
is good too. I think it's good too. And I mean, you guys will be splitting the tuition.
After reviewing income adjustments and support for 2 other children, the new child support amount could be $665 per month. The father pauses before agreeing to pay $550 instead. The situation calms down briefly, but another important issue quickly comes up. Now the focus shifts to health insurance.
And I mean, you guys will be splitting the tuition, essentially.
Since your insurance is better than mine, just because of your occupation, is there something? I mean, I am all about protecting our son on both sides, but if he was to have full insurance over our son, is that something that we address here, or is that something that we address outside of court?
Oh no, you can do it on your own independently. You can go ahead and actually drop your insurance if you would like, because he at least is still covered under dad's insurance, and there will be nothing wrong with that. Okay?
So we'll discuss that after. Okay.
Okay.
She asks whether she should cancel her insurance since his employer offers better coverage. The judge says the choice belongs to them. Even during their disagreement, both parents show they want what's best for their son. Could they finally find common ground? One final decision remains.
There will be nothing wrong with that. Okay?
So we'll discuss that after. Okay.
Okay. Is that all? You guys have anything else?
I guess, when does it take effect?
It'll take effect the 1st of each month. So
So
What-
if today's the 3rd, then it doesn't take effect until the 1st of next
until the
month.
1st of next month, yeah. Okay? All right. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
With the court order finalized, the case comes to an end. The updated support payments will begin on the first day of next month. After all the discussions, calculations, and emotions, both parents leave with a new plan in place. It wasn't simple, but their son stayed the main priority. If you support fair co-parenting and responsible parenting, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.